Here's a new 2018 Buick Enclave. Ample seating and storage, inviting interior space, and thoughtful technologies make this Enclave the inevitable choice for an SUV. Features include streaming audio, power tilt-down heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, V6 engine, hands-free liftgate, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. For Buick, the efficient, stylish, upscale crossover had single-handedly resuscitated a brand that previously looked as healthy as Oldsmobile. Imaginative luxury for the real world. That's today's Buick. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.